As a shout out to our friends in India, we're going to do a lotus flower today. So you notice that it's looks like a big smile shape. It has all these different petals that are all kind of off that center. And it's a water flower. So let's get drawing. Now, our lotus flower, like I said, we're gonna start with that center petal. So we're gonna kind of go from here, we're gonna give ourselves some guidelines, here to here. Ready? We wanna get out to the sides there. That kind of helps you make sure you're fat enough, and then you're gonna get slender, okay? So go up here, all the way down to that point that you drew. And this is the same thing, just the other direction, the other side, there. Good shape. Now here, we're gonna go across the bottom, and we're gonna give ourselves kind of a guideline because these match up, so we want them to be about the same place. So we gave ourselves that guideline. It's like a giant smile. Ready? We're gonna go down here. Keep turning your page. You never wanna try to do this straight, so always turn your paper. There, looks awesome. Okay, this side now, we're just gonna finish that petal, there. Now this side, put the other piece of that petal in. Ta-ta, we're looking good. Now we have two petals up at the top that are kind of tucked behind there. Okay. You guys know Young Rembrandts is in India now. We have some lovely people teaching classes in Maharashtra. So look up Young Rembrandts Maharashtra on your social media. So over here now we need our petal that's out to the side, and it's kind of hidden. So these are the petals on the front of the flower. And this one over here, there. Now I also added a few texture lines just to those front couple of petals, and here. And I'm gonna add some water lines. Just to remind us, these are in the water. So not a lot, just a little hint right here. And try to keep this the same place as you go across. There. So, looks great. Now, I'm gonna outline with a Sharpie, because I like that nice dark line so you can see it well. Ready? I'm gonna go kind of quick. So I'm gonna go back up to the top, and I'm gonna trace all my flowers, or the petals, in the order that I drew them. Excellent. Now remember, every time we draw something and we Sharpie it, before we put in color, and I've got great color to show you, we've got to do a little erasing. You don't want those messy pencil lines to be showing up. And we clean off our drawing. Again, let's get checking out that Maharashtra Young Rembrandts. Okay, I've got some great colors to show you. Ready? Here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Catch you next time. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.